I think where Giant's strengths lies, and for Momentum as well, is just the overall planning. I mean, we are a truly global company. We have representation in multiple countries, and we can learn from those scenarios and how people use the product. So we have eyes all over the world and focus groups as well to better plan for what is the next generation of Momentum going to take on.
Now people are definitely more cautious about, being stuck on public transportation, buses, subways, even taking taxis and other modes of transportation. So I think this will definitely spur even more growth in the micromobility sector. As human beings, we're always trying to find the most efficient and best way to get around. And I think bikes make a perfect solution for city commuters today. It's low cost and it's very easy to get around, and it's a great way to explore. And I can see more and more people choosing electric bikes or e-bikes as a way to get around the city, whether that's commuting to work or even just for recreational purposes. Looking for more affordable options and something also that helps them really to explore and feel part of the environment that they live in. And then we think Momentum has everything that the consumer really needs.
For the new generation of Momentum bikes, we really focused on creating a contemporary and modern platform. So that means combining simple, logical shapes, balanced proportions, and also classic colors that really fit the persona of these bikes. I have tried PACK several times, specifically the one with 2 children's seats on the back. And I have to say, whether I'm taking my kids to the supermarket, to the park, it's a blast. It's super fun, it's super versatile.
My name is Arjun. I've worked for Giant for around 9 years now. I feel is really nice about PACK compared to other cargo bikes is that kids are sitting behind you. They're within reach, and that feels safe for me. So I'm in front and facing the traffic, and they're sitting safely behind me. My wife, I think she really enjoys riding PACK. So if she can have the choice between taking the car or taking PACK, she will most of the time take PACK. Whenever she goes for errands or goes shopping, she finds it very easy to move through traffic, and she can park right in front of the store, bring everything home. It's very convenient.
Heritage is from Giant Group. Momentum has the greatest support for profound production capability and cycling knowledge. The logo implies the skyscraper of cities' high-rising buildings. Indeed, Momentum is designed to serve people and satisfy with the mobility demand within cities. We are so happy to see urban cycling recognized as one of the boosting lifestyle trends. As a company advocating cycling for decades, we have great intention to be a supportive player. Let's do together for a better world.